Hello, everyone. I'm here at the President's Car Museum of the Philippines.
Nandito tayo
Let an A
ngayon
pose,
sa
S get
Museum
inside.
ng Pangulong Sasakyan. Mga dati itong sasakyan ng mga President of the Philippines. Pero pasok po tayo. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Then we'll ask information. We're gonna open the door. At hindi ko kayo kukuhanan sir.
Yes. Opo, ma'am. Pwede po. Wait lang. Ilan po kayo, ma'am? Kayo lang po talaga, ma'am.
Ako
Ano?
lang po.
Isang pangalan na lang po, ma'am. Lagay po lang.
Ako.
And then, reminders lang po, ma'am, ha? Sa loob po, pwede po tayo mag-picture o mag-video. Po-off na lang po yung flash ng camera po natin. Then, bawal lang po natin hawakan yung mga sasakyan o yung mga display po sa loob ng museo po natin. Although, wala naman po tayong transfer dito. Kung gusto nyo lang po mag-donate, may donation box po yun. Kahit magkano lang po for maintenance ng building po.
Sige po.
Thank you. Dito na po tayo.
Thank you.
Kayo po, sir?
Register lang kami.
Taga saan po tayo, sir?
Taga Quezon City.
Kahit isang pangalan na lang po sila.
Hello. Pasok. Parang labrador. So, papasok na tayo sa loob. Yes. Titingnan natin ang mga cars. So, we're gonna have an introduction there. Kasi ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas ang pinaka-pangyarihang tao sa bansa. Okay. So these pictures were previous taken nagamit ang mga pangpangulong sasakyan sa isang motorcade o convoy kung saan nakabantay ang Presidential Security Group o PSG. So, mag-start tayo dito. Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte. So, ito pa rin ay old pictures. Hindi pwedeng pumasok eh. So, ito yung sasakyang Douglas MacArthur. Na-maintain nila, tagal na rin. Early 1940s, I think. Naku, kung pwede lang sumakay. Hindi pwede hanggang dito lang. Talagang na-maintain nila pati wheels. Oh, ibang klase yung ano mo. Yung quality. Ano is that? Ah, it's Quezon President. Yun naman ay sasakyang Quezon. That one. Nanay. Is the president during the Commonwealth period. Next is sasakyang Noel and sasakyang Osmeño. Which means to say, they used the same car. Brother, ito Malayo. Kuya, pwede pa lang pumasok? Pwede po?
Inaayos po kasi nila, ma'am.
May mga bata doon.
Andun po, sa
Sino yung mga yun? Sino sila?
mga restaurant po, mga nagkakasama.
Ganda naman nito, vintage car. Who used this one? Sasakyan Aguinaldo. So, they name after the president. Kabilang ang Packard 6 sa mga pinakamaramihan uri ng kotse noong dekada 20. May interior na yari sa kahoy at binay. Ito sa mga unang at mas pinipiling gawing sasakyang pag-estado. Ang pamilyang imperial ng Russia ay minsan nagmay-ari ng kabarero model. Tingnan mo nga. This is President Aguinaldo. Meron siyang mini car. We'll take a close look, but we cannot ride on it. Ganito lang. At least, upon close, very nice. President Aguinaldo. So he was the president from 1869 up to 1964. Really? And he is the first president of the Philippines. Oh, dito pa yung plate, oh. Plate number. Hindi plate, kasi plate yung plato, pinagkakailan natin. Plate number ng car. And this one, bakit kaya puro black? That's the question I want to ask. Bakit puro black? Excuse me. It's Rolls Royce of Imelda Marcos. Sasakyang Imelda Marcos. Napakalavish. Napakalavish. Tingnan niya ang bumper. Mga iba pang natatanging sasakyang may kahalagahang pangkasaysayan. Other vehicles of historic value. So, Rolls-Royce ay pinakalavish sa lahat. Because it is being used by the former First Lady Imelda Marcos na noong panahon yun, ang mga katawan ng Rolls-Royce ay gawa ng tanyag na coach builders na sina H.J. Moliner, Hartward at James Young. Anyway, hindi ko sila kilala. Tapos may isa pa dito, maraming mga tanyag ng mga pinuno ng estado at personalidad ang nagmay-ari ng Phantom 5 tulad ni Reyna Elizabeth II, Pangulong Joseph Broz Tito ng Yugoslavia, Muhammad Reza Pahlavi, ang huling siya ng Iran, Haring Olav V ng Norway, at musikerong si John Lennon. May 516 16 lamang na Phantom 5 ang nagawa sa buong kasaysayan ng automobile. Wow! Pinakamaranyang Rolls Royce. We call it Kalesa. Also mga automobile sa Pilipinas, ang karaniwang gamit sa paglalakbay ay ang This is my favorite. May mini Kalesa. This carriage was used by his family up until the 1940s. This is evidenced by the plate with the year 1944 together with the Pasible house. The carriage was donated by his granddaughter Corazon Pasible Cañeza in 1997 to the government. So, ito ay gamit ng mga Pasible Cañeza noong 1977. So, we stopped by Sasakyan Rojas.com. Next is Sasakyan Torino, 1953 Chrysler Crown Imperial Limousine. The model 1953 Chrysler Crown Imperial Limousine is a luxury brand of Chrysler used by President of Nigeria. The brand Crown is a version of Chrysler Imperial, which had the highest quality in the line of car models. Ang ganda rin. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. We'll see inside. But, kind of Jessica. May carpet. Is it carpet? Sasakyan Rojas. Siya pala yun, nakatayo. So, take a look inside. Ang dami pa. Ang dami pa. Sila na ba yung president? So, we're here in the car of Ramon Magsaysay. So he was born 1907 and then he passed away 1957. President Ramon Magsaysay still used Carino's Crown Imperial. However, the government purchased a Cadillac Series 7523 car. It was a supplementary or reserved vehicle until the first term of President Ferdinand Marcos. So ito palang ginamit ni Ramon Magsaysay. Ay car pa rin ni President Quirino. Kasi sabi dito. So ito pala ay Cadillac. Wow. Until now, there's still Cadillac car. Take notice of the one. Pag number 1, yun ay pag car ng president. To say that this car is also your had a car like this. Former president of China. Sabi dito eh. Kabilang ang kotse ito sa mga maranyang modelong Fleetwood. Mayroon din ito si Pangulong Chiang Kai-shek ng Republika ng China. Nagbigay sa kanya ng mga negosyanteng Chino sa Pilipinas. Kaya pala Chiang Kai-shek ang pangalan ng airport ng Hong Kong. It is derived from him. Ayun, sa car ni former President Diosdado Macapagal. For our official car, we used a Ford, then a Chevrolet. The presidential Cadillac was reserved for state guests and occasions. Sabi dito ni former President Diosdado Macapagal. The one displayed here is a model similar to the 1959 Cadillac sedan reveal, chosen by President Diosdado Macapagal. So this one.